And bam goes the market. Down, down, down it goes. Let's have a look at what actually happened in today's market. Let's go straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, so traders, as I've been saying the last couple of videos, and I've been saying this actually, that I actually expected a lot more upside. I personally did. But I was saying in yesterday's, and I was saying that through these bars here, I was saying I expect more upside. I actually expected a 1,000-point rally on the Dow Jones. This is the Dow Jones. I expected a 1,000-point rally into the market, into the high side. You know, around about 17,000. That's where I expected a rally. Now, here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing, that whenever you're viewing the charts, there's a lot of things you can look at on the charts, but all my analysis was saying that this is looking top heavy. Every single indice was starting to look top heavy now. And even though we had this big up bar through here, I was saying, hey, you know, West, we may get a continue run to the high side, but this is actually looking top heavy. Now, I didn't know when the turn was going to happen, but you can see here, right, up and a little doji day, and then I was saying yesterday, you know what, but you know, this is really top heavy, and this is showing that it's stalling out already. And there we can see a 1 point down day, and you know, bit over 2% on the Russell, and also the Nasdaq as well too. So you can see that's what we've had there so far. So it doesn't mean we're going to continue going down here, guys. But everything right now in this, we may continue back up and continue doing this for another week before we break down. But we just don't know. But what I do say is, by especially looking at that volume bar. That volume bar there, you can see it's actually a lot higher than yesterday's bar too. So there's a bit more selling pressure, but we do actually have this overall level here of support and resistance. That's where it's actually holding there. So we may actually even hold up and have another run to the high side tonight. We just don't know, but everything about this movement here, guys, is saying that this is very, very weak and we're getting ready to turn. So I'm actually a lot more bearish here, or I'm bearish overall, but I'm a lot more bearish here than saying, okay, we're likely to continue up into the 16, 17,000s. That may happen, but all my indication or all my research on the charts has shown, I've been saying for the last couple of days, this is looking top heavy, and I expect more downside. We've already started that, so I do expect a lot more downside to come from this situation here. But again, guys, it may spend another week like going sideways or slightly upward move before we get the big drop. But this down bar here may be the start of that big drop coming down. You can see the volume there was increased as well too, so an increase in volume. This bar here, looking on the Russell, nothing much there. Looking on the Nasdaq, same thing. The volume in this selling was actually a lot higher than anything else, so that's actually telling me a lot of things there, guys. So as I've been saying for the last couple of days, guys, that the market is looking top heavy. It's running out of steam here, and we're looking like that we actually want to start turning down. That's exactly what happened last night. Are we going to get some follow through? We'll see. We'll soon find out. Hey, it's Howell here, and thanks so much for watching my video. You see, I'm putting out daily videos and education on helping you learning the art of successful trading. So click on the subscribe button to keep up to date with every video I do. Also, check out my story video, $250,000 in debt, cancer, overweight, family passing away, lived on the streets, and more, and how I overcome it and now thriving through my life. This is here to motivate you, so click on that image to watch my video. And lastly, if you're struggling with your trading, then you need to see my latest webinar where I'm sharing with you an amazing strategy that allows you to generate an income without getting the direction right. So click on that image on this page to register for my next free webinar. This is Howell here. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.